Alright, so this is going to be a Costco item review of this Melonhead seedless watermelon. So watermelons are kind of not too predictable on how they're going to be because of their ripeness. So let's hope we got a good one. One thing you want to do to kind of help you predict watermelon ripeness in the future, kind of just like hit it, kind of see how it feels. If you hit multiple watermelons, you'll kind of feel like the vibration difference. Hopefully this is good because it feels like a good watermelon, but it's not always guaranteed because sometimes the thing is like more dense, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more powdery, but you kind of know more of like the water content and stuff from hitting it like that. Let's go ahead and cut it open and see what we got inside. All right, so there's a bunch of stuff online about like having like cracks and whatever and the color of the bottom and all those things, but I don't know. Usually you kind of want to hit it, but it's hard to tell unless you're like hitting a whole bunch of them. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna try and cut this open. It's hard to do this on hand. I don't have a tripod right now, but let's go ahead and see. All right, let me actually cut it open and then we'll show you. All right, so here's the watermelon. You can see it's ripping open. Come on, there we go. Okay, so has kind of nice color. It might be a little dark. It's hard to tell from the camera, but let's go ahead and cut a slice and give it a try. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat because this is the middle's the good part, usually. So let's give that a try. There it is. It's a good one. I ate something like jelly beans earlier, so it's less sweet than normal, but I'm pretty sure it's good. I'll have to try it again after my taste buds reset. All right, so I washed my mouth a little. Let's give this a try. This is a really thin slice though. It's good. Before buying it, my friend was like, if it tastes good, I'll pay you for it. If it doesn't, you're buying it. So and then she's like, it's good, I'll pay you. So, good watermelon. See you guys later. Bye.